Shahnawaz Dahani, a young fast bowler who has emerged as an emerging talent in the Pakistan Super League, was born on the 5th of August 1998 in village Khawar Khan Dahani, district Larkana. He is a right-arm fast-medium bowling professional Pakistani cricketer who is very popular among cricket fans due to his fast pace, aggressive bowling, high energy, and unique and enthusiastic celebration after taking a wicket. In the records of the Pakistan Cricket Board, his birthplace is Larkana, and his bowling style is listed as right-arm medium-fast. Shahnawaz Dahani received his primary education from Larkana to graduation and obtained a B.Com degree. His family's main occupation was farming. Despite living in a rural environment with limited resources, he had a keen interest in cricket since childhood. During his education, he started playing cricket with a tap ball and attracted attention with his fast bowling in local fields. Later, he joined the Shahbaz Cricket Club in Larkana. He participated in the inter-district tournament for the Quaid-e-Azam Trophy in the under-19 group from the club platform. His performance in local and district competitions gave him the opportunity to reach regular domestic cricket. In 2021, Shahnawaz Dahani was included in the 6th season of the Pakistan Super League by Multan Sultans as an emerging cricketer. He showed exceptional performance in his first season and became the highest wicket-taker in the tournament with 20 wickets. For this performance, he was adjudged the best bowler and the best emerging cricketer of the PSL. During the PSL, he took 4 wickets for just 5 runs in a match, which is one of the memorable performances of his early career. His fast bowling, bounce, cheerfulness, and enthusiastic style on the field made him a fan favourite in a very short time. Shahnawaz Dahani also represented Karachi Kings after Multan Sultans. He was initially left unsold in the first auction of PSL 2026, but was later picked up by Peshawar Zalmi to strengthen their fast bowling attack. According to the official statement of Peshawar Zalmi, he became a part of the team's bowling attack under the leadership of Captain Babar Azam. Shahnawaz Dahani made his international debut in November 2021 in a T20I against Bangladesh. On the 3rd ball of his first international over, he bowled Bangladeshi opener Najmul Hossain Shanto to take his first international wicket. Pakistan won the match and won the series against Bangladesh 3-0. He represented Pakistan in both ODI and T21 formats. As a right-arm fast-medium bowler, he has the ability to create problems for batsmen with his pace, bounce, and aggressive spell. Shahnawaz Dahani has represented various domestic teams including Sindh, Pakistan Shaheens, SNGPL, Larkana Region and Karachi Region Whites or Karachi Blues. He also played for Karachi Blues in the 2026 National T20 Cup and bowled effectively in several matches. He has also shown excellent performance in first-class cricket. In a crucial match of the President's Trophy, he took 7 wickets for just 42 runs, while in the final of the 2026 President's Trophy, he played a role in putting his team in a strong position by taking 4 wickets of the SNGPL. In 2026, Shahnawaz Dahani was included in the Colombo Caps squad for the Lanka Premier League. He became a part of the team in the gold category with a contract of $30,000. He had some impressive spells during the tournament, including 2 crucial wickets for 25 runs in 4 overs and 2 for 20 runs in the second match. Shahnawaz Dahani's journey started from playing tape ball cricket in a small village to the Pakistan national team and international franchise league. His life is an inspiring example for the youth of Sindh that despite limited resources, education, hard work, perseverance and belief in one's abilities can lead to recognition at the national and international levels. Shahnawaz Dahani Sindhi. Cricket Larkana, Pakistan. Super League. Peshawar, Zalmi, Multan, Sultan, Colombo, Caps, Lanka, Premier League. Shahnawaz Dahani, Pakistan Cricket.